Hey, this Punkel baby, and today I decided to go to Frankfurt on foot. Really, it's crazy. It will take really long time. Google Maps says that it will take like 6 hours and 26 minutes. Yeah, it's really crazy. I'm good to go and let's go. Bro, play Pokemon Go. As usual, average travel trip. What did I take? I took a blanket, I took warm shorts, because if it will be warm, I will wear them. Yeah. So these shorts really long. I also took the box with food. It includes 2 sandwiches and 2 peaches. Peaches. I know you hate the sun. No. It's impossible. If you hate the sun, I will find you and I will kill you. And I'm passing the PrivatBank, first city we have on the app. I passed the village where everybody sells something, and it was really crazy. What the hell, now I'm in the field. Hey, this Punkel, and I'm in all carbon. I decided to make a break cause I need a break. Yeah, my body really tired. Yeah, and I wanted to say some really important stuff. First off, I drink water from glass bottle. Why? Because of the one reason. The plastic. The world has too much plastic and I decided to change this life routine from plastic to glass. And also one really big problem is happening now in Ukraine. What it was before and what is now. There was a sea and now there is nothing. What we can do in this situation, like really nothing. We can just observe this, but we have only 2 ways to impact on this. We can tell it, or you can help people in Ukraine. And I want to put the link below this video to help Ukraine, to help Ukrainian people who is in. You don't need to donate like 10 euro or maybe 5 euro. 2 euro. It's enough for now, and from each of us it will be really enough, and I will be really grateful if you will make it. So yeah, I need a break and then we will go further. Let's go. We've got to bat fever. Hey, and I'm in Frankfurt finally. I'm in Frankfurt and that means that I need to make a conclusion to this video. I really can't speak any language I know, but anyways, I've made such a distance, I've made such a steps, I just don't know, I don't remember. I drank 3.2 water and I'm happy, I'm really happy, and I can't believe that I can't do something. I can reach everything I want. It's really cool. I like such adventures when you just feel your power, when you feel that you are human, when you feel that you're full, and that's very cool. I have really low power of battery. I hope camera is still recording me. If no, I guess I've made some stickers of me on this black screen. I'm crazy. Ich bin total verrückt. Thank you for the video. Bye.